Finally, the little train has arrived here at the summit of the Brienz Rothorn, which is 2,350 meters high. It took us about 1 hour with that old locomotive to push us up here, and I mean, as you can see, the view is not beatable by anything else in the surrounding area. We are so high you can almost see Snoop Dogg from over here. But jokes aside, we kind of gonna stick to our plan. As we said yesterday, the Lauterbrunnen and Grindelwald was kind of not that experience that we were looking for. So today we are up here in the mountains, and of course this place is so high that hiking up here would take you probably the whole day. So we're gonna do the hike down, which is also rated one of the most difficult hikes in this region, and the average completion time for this hike down takes about 5 hours. So I expect for us it's going to take about 6 or 7 hours. The Turen Sea over there, which spans for 48 square kilometers, just for the reference to understand how high we are, and we can easily oversee this big valley. And if I'm correct, we can also see the Jungfraujoch from over here. Just can't pinpoint which one that is. Perhaps that one in the middle, but of course I'm gonna have to double check. But I think that's the Jungfraujoch, which is the highest point here in Europe where you can get up by a cable car. So this is the trail that we chose. Most likely we're gonna have to climb completely down, because originally we had to sort of hike to a certain village called Turen, and you have a cable car over there and that's taking you down. But according to the internet, the cable car stops transporting people at around 5 o'clock. So we're definitely not gonna make it there till 5 o'clock, because it's 3 o'clock already. But check out the trail. It goes all the way up to those ridges. For me it's like a dream come true, because I've been asking Sabine, or telling her for quite a long time, that that's my dream to walk on the ridge of the mountain, where you can look like left and right, and all you see are valleys down. So yay! Indeed a dream come true. Sabi, it's my dream come true, huh?
Yeah, your dream come true. And this is not even the top. Oh, the view is amazing. Escaped amazing.
It's like all those pictures that we saw, and it's like also the pictures encouraged to hike in general. Damn. But like Sabi said, there is like small top to reach. Once we reach that, we're gonna have a small break. So let's put our bags down. That is where we came from, and judging by the trail, we're gonna go down over to that ridge right there and cross those mountains. But first, like I said, let's sit down, relax a little bit.
What?
I have a surprise for you.
What again?
I brought something with me upstairs. You want to see?
Yes.
They don't call me Indrid's Trailer Park Boy Schultz for nothing. So I brought a little bit of gin.
You crazy.
And I also have 2 cups. I got some cola from camping.
Yay!
I also have some food in my bag, not only water. So it was, I think it was worth to bring around with me for the whole day. It's still perfectly cold since I got it out in the morning from the fridge.
Then it was good fridge.
Did I? No, I didn't. I think there is like bug in this one, so I will have this one.
Yes, I had enough of bugs. Of course.
Cheers, Sonny.
Cheers.
That's a mighty good gin and cola.
Cola.
I want to say gin and tonic.
Gin and tonic. Helaas, pindakaas.
I mean, this spot is so incredible. It's literally my dream come true. And I'm so happy we came here today, that we didn't decide like to visit another city or anything. I don't think I want to visit any cities in the future. Maybe in Italy, like Florence, or in Spain. We haven't been a lot in Spain. This is like incredible. Incredible. Everywhere you look, you just can't lower your eyes. Alright, enough filming. Let's enjoy some food. I don't know what's in your bag.
2 nectarines.
2 nectarines?
Perfectly green for you.
Oh, nice. Alright, I have some snacks too. So,
Nice.
let's eat. So we have made like another plan, because we did meet some locals. Well, I wouldn't say locals, but the Swiss people. They were from Basel.
Basel, yes.
So they said, yeah, naturally the Touren we're gonna get stuck in.
Because this is a tour and a barn, but we need to walk because it is closed. It's still at 5 o'clock.
They really confirmed that it's closed at 5 o'clock. So we are going to Brunig, because that place is, just as you saw on the sign, it is actually connected to the railway. and we need to catch a train from Brunig to Brienz. I'm not sure what the distance between those two places is, but it has to be at least 10 kilometers, so we can't afford to hike to Turin, hike down from Turin, and then risk the chance to miss the last train. If you've been watching this channel for some time, you know things kind of change. We have to cross these bridges to the Brunig, like I said, for like the 100th time on this video. For me, this is a big dream come true, to be able to see like one valley on one side and then another valley on the other side, and being able to walk through the middle of it. You wanna do it? We have arrived at this little cross point where the paths can take you different directions. Over there is a hut and a Turin, our original destination, so I imagine it will be taking us down from there. And like I said, we need the train, so instead of we're going to take the path down. I believe it's the first village there on the left that you see where the train might be, even though you can't really see it from here. Hiking here is just such a pleasure, to be able to witness all these beautiful mountain peaks. And I will shut up and continue our path down, because it is still a long one, more than 2.5 hours from up here. Pal ik ster naar to, ja? You had enough Naruto? Yeah? Just a little bit more, huh? You can do it, Naruto, I know. Aha, you want to take that shit off? Hi, hiya. Now the forest.
God damn, that was cold, and then when I opened my jacket, I put it on, and now I'm getting hot. I don't know what to do again. Getting hot or cold?
It's like Katy Perry, hot and cold.
Yeah, I guess I can close my jacket again and not put it on.
Yep. I guess that's really the truth, because we've just, like, I guess, kind of exited or left the winds of the mountain. And I bet you're wondering, what is this, like, cornholio kind of thing on the back of my head? And the truth is, the sun up there really burned me, because I didn't have any protection on my neck. Normally I would have like a bandana with me, but I said to Sabine, no, I don't need it in this occasion, because I got my baseball cap. My God,
You need it.
I do need it. When we take a rest, I'll show you that red spot of a lobster Mr. Krabs that has formed there on my neck. Yeah, I have to mention, doesn't matter how long you're on this path, it doesn't seem to, the end doesn't seem to come any closer at all. But of course, if you look at all those heights that we came down from, that one is specifically like the pyramid shape on the top, at least from here I still see the Sitzplatz, what you call it, like the sitting arrangement place, the overlook point.
Look, there's the point where we started.
Yeah, I just showed it. So yeah, if you look back there, it does seem like we made some progress. Civilization. It is 8:45. So more or less what we expected today. I think we maybe plan to be here at like 7:30, max 8. So a slight deviation. Now we have to walk to the train station, which is 5 minutes away from here, on this small trail next to the road. So let's do the last 5 minutes, and let's hope that we don't have to wait long for the train.
Let's hope there is a train. I got the chocolate.
Yay!
Look what I got.
What did you get?
Snicker.
Yay!
And two
Ragusa!
ragusas with a Swiss flag.
Yay!
Yay! Mission complete.
Mission completed. So now we can go get our car.
Yes, and go to the camping for some fast ramen.
Yes. I'm dying to get that ramen.
Yes. Cheap but tasty.
Amen. So as you can see, Sabine is mixing up, trying to soak our luxurious noodles. We are here in the community room. Naruto is completely done. He is limping. Sadly, the mountain was too much for him. Was his paws okay?
Yes, his paws was okay.
So maybe some muscle pain, perhaps. We are really tired. I don't even know how late it is. I think somewhere close to 11 p.m.
Yes.
Precisely 11 p.m. So yes, we are extremely exhausted. We're still gonna eat because we are a little bit hungry. And you wanna show the red spot that I promised from the Mr. Krabs?
I don't know if the light will show off. Yes. Come back. Yep. Yep, it's red.
So it hurts like hell, so this night probably will be pretty sleepless, which is bad, of course. As for tomorrow, originally we had planned to visit the Interlaken, the biggest town or city on this lake nearby the Turensee. But we are probably not going to spend so much time over there because that place is really crowded, and you have also a lot of tourists over there, so it's really busy. So I think we're just going to try to see the lake from the Interlaken, right?
Yes, probably.
Maybe visit the big shop over there and then just probably gonna improvise. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.